River Blue Ridge 3125 Cabin Edition for sale in Alburgh, Vermont 05440. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2010 Forest River Blue Ridge 3125 Cabin Edition. This luxurious fifth wheel is 35 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with remote control awning, 3 slide-outs and front and rear jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2010 Forest River Blue Ridge 3125 Cabin Edition is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area complete with a 3-burner stove, oven, microwave refrigerator / freezer large kitchen SinkDinette with chair seating fireplace recessed pop-up television surround SoundCD / StereoSofa sleeper with comfy inflatable mattress full-length storage drawer under SofaTwo rocker ReclinersLarge bathroom with shower, toilet, sink washer / dryer HookupsMaster queen-size bed full-size master ClosetAmazing central vacuum kick sweep for quick clean-ups lots of underneath storage 15,000 BTU A C35,000 BTU FurnaceHitch weight 1,975 pounds. Fresh water tank 73-gallon gray water tank 60-gallon black water tank 60-gallon new tires 2019 and so much more. This 2010 Forest River Blue Ridge 3125 Cabin Edition is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2010 Forest River Blue Ridge 3125 Cabin Edition can be yours.